Do you want to enter recovery mode on your Nintendo Switch 2 because you're trying to troubleshoot an issue or your Switch is unresponsive? Then this is how you put your Switch 2 into recovery. To enter recovery mode, first of all you'll need to shut down your Switch 2. To do this you'll need to hold down your Switch 2's power button that's on the top, and you'll need to keep holding it for about 20 seconds. Now I have my Switch 2 screen available, but if you have a black screen, just count until 20 and then let go. This will ensure that your Switch 2 is shut down completely. Now to enter recovery, what we need to do is hold down both the volume up and down button, and while holding down the volume buttons, short press on the power button, keep holding the volume buttons until you see the Nintendo Switch 2 logo, then you can let go and it will enter recovery mode. Now from here you can check for updates or restore your Switch 2 in case it's unresponsive. But if you want to exit recovery mode without doing anything, just tap on the power button, and then you can start up your Switch 2 normally by pressing on the power button once again. And that's all. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.